Now this slide consists of many operators which are used in C language. Arithmetic operators are there, then operators like plus, minus, these are operators. Relational operators are there, relational operators, shift operators, logical operators like and, or, these are and, or, these are logical operators, bitwise operators, ternary operators, assignment operators, miscellaneous operator. All these operators will be looking in detail uh, as soon as we proceed in this language. Okay, and there are control statements. Control statements used in languages are if else statement, switch statement. For looping you require do while loop, for loop. To break you require the break control statement. To continue you require, these are keywords now. So these are keywords which we have seen previously. These are loop statement, do while statement, uh, until is also there, for loop statements are there. So these are nothing but the control statements. We'll see each and everything in detail in the next slides if you're coming. See in if else statement, there are two ways to make use of C language. First, if statement, or you can separately use as a if statement. For example, if value is equal to 0, then for example print 0, right? So this is one program. If you write if this is one program, right? And here in if else you can write if value is equal to 0, print 0, or else you can say else you print 1. So this is nothing but semicolon is to be right. That's very important. So here if and else statement are there. If value is equal to 0, print 0, else print 1. So this is nothing but this if else ladder is there, and nested if can go in if value is equal to true, then again inside the loop you can write another if with another statement, then another if with another statement, and then you can close this statements. So this if can be used accordingly. This if statement is used to execute the code if the condition is true. So this is a syntax which is the standard syntax which is shown over here. If expression is there, uh, if expression, here there's opening of bracket, here is a closing of bracket, and the code is to be written over here. So this is the standard procedure of if statement. Now the if else statement, it is shown how to execute. Here if and in bracket the expression is there, here the opening of the bracket, and else, and again this open bracket is being closed over here, and between that code is written. And in the else, this code is opened, here it is closed, and between them the code is written. So if else statements are to be coding is to be done this way. If so if ladder is else if statements which can be uh, which is used here if condition, if this condition, opening of bracket, else if another condition, opening of bracket, closing of bracket. Again there is a else if statement. If this is condition number 3, then this code is to be executed. So write for example, if value is equal to, for example, Sunday, then write printf Sunday. Else if another value is equal to Tuesday, for example, then print Tuesday. Another else if you can value is equal to Wednesday, say for example print Wednesday. But the programs are written to be here. Else if can go on continue until all the conditions are satisfied. So this is kind of else if ladder statements which can be used. So this is else if ladder. uh, Here is switch statement. Switch expressions are there for case value 1, value 2, and the default. So the switch expression is used here. In bracket the condition is there here, and case if value is 1, then write the code and then break. Case value is equal to 2, condition to be operated, break. Means example is like this. Uh, Here the switch, for example, switch, if for example here is print f, which I have written, print f tell uh, value percentage t, and we are actually storing it is in yes example scanf, and we stored that value example in yes, right? So we took the value from the user. If s is equal to uh, value, now s is equal to switch s, for example, and then we write the case. If s value is 0, then print it is Sunday. If case value is 1, then print it is Tuesday. Case value is 2, then print it is Thursday. So and if this is executed now, then you can break the statement. When you break the statement, the loop directly comes to the closing factor. And if all this cases, case 0, 1, 2, all this is not executed, you can write a default statement. Default can be basically error or a sorry message you can put down. So this is nothing but the switch case statements are available. We'll take each and every example of these statements in the near future. Okay, hope